This hose clamp set has 8 popular sizes covering everything from 1/4 to 2 inches. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. These are made with stainless steel. It does come with an optional tool you can use to wrench down the tightening screw. It's a simple product to understand. The more you tighten, the smaller that circumference gets. If you prefer a screwdriver, it has this screwdriver tool. Here are all the sizes. There are 200 total, and you also get these 2 items, so 202 items total. These have a lot of uses, from automotive, industrial, plumbing, the list goes on and on. If you need to tighten a fitting around a cylindrical object, you can't go wrong with hose clamps. I use hose clamps in unique ways. I built this piece of wood here, 2 little half moon sections. The hose clamp tightens it down because this is a cylindrical bar. So hose clamp, hose clamp, hose clamp. Again, the stainless steel is a big benefit. It will not rust. Corrosion won't be an issue. These are built to last, because the idea is you want to put this on and then you never want to take it back off or worry about it again. This has you covered, in my opinion. Having a large assortment like this is also a big benefit, because you won't have to run to get more, and if you misjudge the size, you'll have access to several different sizes, and the carrying case locks easily. You got yourself a grip there. Take this to where you need to go, throw it in the back of the car, throw it in the back of the truck, bring it to the job site, move this to your garage, always have it with you. I really like it.